My name is Amber, and I'm a district coordinator for a home and design company, and I'm also a licensed esthetician, beauty influencer, and makeup artist.
You look cute.
You look cute. I'm trying to be like you.
I am a care management coordinator for an insurance company, and I'm also an esthetician.
We love makeup, we love hair, we love clothes.
Yeah.
So we just clicked off mutual interest.
That led to our friendship.
We thought it would be perfect to look together, you know, to bounce ideas off each other. And we also thought it would be a great idea for my mom to be our real estate agent.
I think I have a really good idea as to what you both want, just because, of course, you guys are going through the process together. And I know that's an important part of it, like having your friend and what do you think?
Yes.
Girl, what do you think about this? Girl, I don't know. Let's see a couple townhomes.
I can't even imagine seeing myself mowing lawn. That doesn't.
You know, I'm always looking and thinking about the resale opportunity. I did put some single family homes on the list.
It would be nice if I didn't, but I can go a little over 300,000.
I really would not want to go above 300. I just want it to be more affordable.
And I think the location is really important to you.
Absolutely. I don't want to be too far away from the downtown area.
And I want to live in the suburbs. I just love being outside of the city. I'm not a city girl.
I mean, I feel like quiet is fine when I have a husband and kids, but as a single woman, I need to be close so I can go to the events and get good food and shop.
I still want to go to the events and shop, but I come home to quietness.
First up, Amber's mom has found a townhouse they can both afford, and it has aspects of each of their styles. But Savannah's not crazy about the city location.
I saw that it was near the Atlanta airport.
I definitely think the planes might be super loud.
I mean, I heard you just get used to it after a while.
Used to it.
Well, you're right near the airport.
Yes.
I hear the planes.
You probably won't even notice it, really. I've sold homes to people right near train tracks, and it just becomes second nature. Like, you don't even hear the train tracks. Looking at this price being under for you, HOA is very low. It puts you at a much better level of comfort, so you can make some changes if you want to.
Absolutely.
Let's take a look.
See?
I've never had two buyers look at the same house. Amber and Savannah are my picky buyers. I love them dearly, but yes, they're looking for everything to be pristine. The good thing about this particular home that we're showing them, super neat, staged very nicely, so I think they'll be impressed by the inside.
I love the dining room.
Yes, good.
I love the light fixture.
too.
You know, I love a statement, and that's just the statement.
It's
I
the
love
statement.
So move on forward to the kitchen there,
Okay.
Savannah.
Okay.
Let you lead the way.
it. Pleasantly surprised.
I love
Yeah.
that. So
Stainless steel appliances are included. Then it has an island that you like.
Yes.
Yes.
I love the crown molding. And don't you love the white cabinets?
Oh, I love the white cabinets. We just need black handles, but it's,
You can change that.
yeah, it's so nice.
It doesn't have a pot filler, but guess what? It has an ice maker line right here, so that means the water line is close. May be able to add that for you. And with this price, it helps with being able to do that,
Right.
having the bandwidth.
I like the decor. They have some style here.
Yeah.
I know
nice
this would be a
pillow.
good one for you to see. Ensuite bathroom,
this.
Yeah, that's cute.
granite counters. Are you both perhaps interested in this home?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Why didn't you say it at the same time I said it?
Girl, you copied me. I'm older.
No.
What are we gonna do if we like the same house? What if the house is just like perfect?
And we
What if
love it, huh?
Yeah. My lease is up first, so I don't really know why you would be concerned about anything. You have a little bit more time, ma'am.
But I still need a house.
Today, Amber's mom has found an interesting alternative for each of the women to consider. A single-family home that's close to the city for Amber, but in a quieter, more suburban setting for Savannah.
It's nice, but this yard needs some work.
Yes,
Hi,
it does.
Be careful with this situation here. They probably should have done the pavers all the way.
They really should have.
What'd you think about the neighborhood?
You know, I don't mind the suburbs.
But it is a little bit, I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere.
We've been looking at townhomes, but I want to give you something else to see.
Okay.
So keep your options open. Let's take a look inside.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome.
It's nice and cool.
To maybe
Yes.
your new home. The premise is really showing them another property different from what they are originally looking for, because you don't know what you don't know. I think this house will work for both of them, so it'll be interesting to see who sees the potential, because it's not in perfect condition. It has been renovated, but there are some things that it needs.
It's a little small, but We can work it out.
Yeah.
And they have black knobs on a white door. Oh my gosh.
So it
And they have an
has-
island.
And look what it has, Savannah. A pot filler. Don't turn it.
To die for. Oh my gosh.
Don't care for the pot filler, but I mean, hey.
Don't be coming for my pot filler.
She has a lot of rules and things that she wants. I'm like, girl, why do you need a pot filler? It's your first house. You can get that when you're married with 3 kids or something.
Well, the seller will include the appliances,
Oh,
so although
perfect.
you don't see the stove and the dishwasher, it will come as a stainless steel package.
Okay.
Countertops look like it's marble or granite. It's not. It's a laminate.
I would want to have granite countertops here and here. Replace the sink as well, because it just looks outdated. And to me, the faucet doesn't go with the sink. It just
doesn't.
looks misplaced.
Yeah.
You said you didn't want a project, but you might actually like a project here.
This is a lot though.
So you have a bigger bedroom. So would this be the beauty room is a question?
This would be the beauty room, for me
Okay.
at least.
There's so much that can happen. A place to film.
Okay.
I can see this being a multi-purpose space.
Definitely.
This is your
Okay.
somewhat as serving as your linen closet here.
Okay.
And then your hall bath.
I love the black handle.
Isn't it cute? I told you the contrast. It's everything.
Now you had the idea of the beauty room in that room, but this one has the 2 windows.
Ooh, we can open the windows, let all the light in.
My only concern is guests in a bigger room. It makes me feel like they're going to stay too long. So there's going to be a 3-day limit, unless it's planned
You
out
sign here
6
when
months
you-
in advance.
This is the main bedroom.
Okay.
What is going
Primary
on? with the
suite.
bed?
Get past the
Yeah.
jailhouse look.
I'm
but-
trying to.
Yeah, me too. I'm trying really hard.
Trying.
But otherwise, the room is good.
Yeah, it's a
decent
nice size.
size.
Uh-huh. Let's take a look at the primary ensuite bathroom.
No, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it is. I love the tub, and I love the black with the white.
And here's your walk-in closet.
Just a little small, but
Uh-huh.
But I think it has potential.
Amber's mom has a surprise up her sleeve. A way for them to both land a new build townhouse.
this is really nice.
It is. And I love the brick out here. I like that the different houses look different and that there's some personality.
I like the brick too, but there's a lot of construction going on.
Yeah, there is.
Might have to consider waking up to a lot of noise.
I know, and I'm a light sleeper. Hello, mother.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
They wanted a new construction if they could. We really didn't think we could find it in this price point. If Amber and Savannah eventually decide on the same home, I've got to represent them equally. We're going to put our best foot forward and submit that to the seller, and the seller has to decide if they want to accept the offer. You can see it's a very open concept.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it.
So the great thing about this particular builder is they're building in different parts of town. So
Okay.
it may just work for you, Savannah. If this house fits the bill for both of you, we can check to see what inventory is available a little further out.
Okay. I would do nice area rug, nice sectional couch.
It is definitely modern. I love the granite countertops. It's a nice contrast, how it has like the black and the gray and the white.
Right.
Of course, I can have my black knobs. So it's gonna look beautiful.
Wow.
This may not work for you because it's missing your favorite thing.
No island. But I do love the crown molding on top of the cabinets. No pot filler, but you know.
Oh my
So that's a little
goodness.
bit-
Here we go.
That's a little bit harder to maneuver. Again.
Yes.
And this is nice. The pad, you can feel it, right?
Yes, it feels good.
That means when you're walking barefoot, it's gonna have nice cushion.
Yes,
sure.
Yes. What do you think?
It's a bit small.
It is a little small. I'm thinking I would want this to be a guest room.
Okay.
What would you do with this room?
I think I would make this room a guest room as well.
Let's take a look at the other bedroom, which is
Okay.
nice because they're side by side.
This is a little bigger, I feel like.
It's a tad bit bigger,
yeah.
and I like its lighting. Because like when you're working, you're at your desk, you want to look out to see what's going on.
Yeah. This is definitely a great space for a beauty room area slash
Yes.
office
I-
area.
I would definitely do that too.
And then you have the bathroom there.
I love the quartz countertop.
Me too. I love the white.
This is the main suite here.
It's big.
Isn't
wow.
it nice?
I love it.
Mean.
Yeah. So let's take a look at the primary bathroom here.
I think, okay, so I really prefer the standing showers.
Like the standing shower tiled.
Well, that's going to cost about $5,000. It does depend on the type of tile.
Okay. Maybe that's something I can do later down the line, maybe like a year or sometime
yeah.
in 6 months.
All right, let's sit down and talk about some things
All
here.
right. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Amber and Savannah are each considering and possibly competing for their first home. Now it's time to decide.
So the townhome near the airport.
One thing we both love is the price.
Absolutely. I really like the interior.
The crown molding was beautiful. It added character to the home. Even though it didn't have my pot filler, I love the island.
But I don't like the backyard is not enclosed.
And you can't hear them inside the home, but the airplanes are really loud.
The benefit of that renovated ranch, it was listed for $365 originally, but now it's been reduced to $295. Our mortgage could be under $2,000.
Yeah, that's something to really consider.
I also loved the contrast of the white doors and the black knob. Also, I loved how every single room was spacious.
That home had a pot filler, so I love that. I love the island. I wasn't a fan of the countertop.
And the backyard, it wasn't my favorite.
I felt like there was so much work that needed to be done.
The new construction house, it's beautiful. It's like, I love the white cabinets. I love that I can add my black knobs and faucets. I love that it's new.
I mean, it didn't have a pot filler and the island. Can't forget about
you
the
love the island.
But I love the patio.
My biggest concern is the construction.
They're still building, so I'm just afraid that it'll wake me up in the morning.
And the house is over her price point and right at my price point limit. I'm just still torn. I'm not really sure.
Just don't choose the house I want.
Oh, that was fast. I'll go grab it. We're happy to report we both bought a new house. I bought the new construction townhouse.
I ended up buying a new construction townhome as well by the same builder, just in a different location.
She bought out in the sticks with cows and farm animals and all that.
You are so extra.
So she was able to get this pretty much the same layout. And they're only, what, 25 minutes apart?
Something like that. The listing price of my house was $299.9, and that's how much I got the house for. And Savannah's in the suburbs, so that's why she paid a little less.
I bought it for $269.9.
It looks so good in here.
Thank you. My only concern and issue is that it's a little loud, but you know, they're building pretty fast, so I feel like I won't hear it for a long time. Kind of want to do the beauty space on this wall because it's bigger. And I'm also excited about the beauty space. Looking forward to that as well.
Bold.
I know.
Such a beautiful.
I love the white cabinets, the countertops. I love the open concept. A compromise for me was a pot filler and the island, but what got me with the home was just the luxurious look of it.
So proud of both of you.
Thank you guys.